Hello friends, welcome back and learn adjectives in English Urdu with sentences starting from the alphabet A to B. So let's start our video with this first word, that is anxious. Fikrmand ya परेशान. You must be anxious about your loss. Apprehensive, खौफज़दा. I realize, why are you apprehensive? Appropriate, munasib या موزوں. She selected an appropriate way of communication. Apt, موزوں या munasib. He is apt to this job. Arctic, फंकारना. The boy was famous for his Arctic capabilities. Arid, बंजर या खुश्क. The company decided to buy 2-acre arid land. Aromatic, खुशबूदार. My chamber is always aromatic. Artistic, फंकारना. She was popular for her artistic skills. Ashamed, शर्म आती है. Many newcomers feel ashamed in this competition. Assured, यकीन दहानी. Rest assured, no one will hurt you. Astonishing, हैरान कुन. It was the most awaiting astonishing performance. Athletic, खेल के मुतालिक. I was interviewed about my athletic skills. Attached, मुंसलिक. The document was attached. Attentive, हाजिर दिमाग या भरपूर. Thanks for your attentive participation. Attractive, पुरकशिश या दिलकश. The child wore attractive dress. Authentic, मुस्तनद. The study is authentic. Authorized, मजाज या मुख्तार बनाना. He is an authorized person to get information. Automatic, खुदकार. Many people oppose the automatic vehicles. Avaricious, लالची. He sacrificed his career, but his brother was avaricious. Average, औसत. We need people with average cognitive capabilities. Aware, आगाह या बाखबर. I wasn't aware of the earthquake. Awesome, ज़बरदस्त. She arranged an awesome party. Awful, خوفناक या दहशतनाक. The kid has watched the awful movie. Awkward, अजीब या बहदा. What an awkward time it is. Babyish, बचकाना. Please quit your babyish habits. Bad, बुरा. I feel bad when my boss disregards me. Baggy, ढीला ढाला. One of my pals wear baggy pant. Barren, बंजर. There was a lot of rain on barren land. Basic, बुनियादी. Education is basic foundation of civilized society. Beautiful, خوبصورت. Her 3 kids are beautiful. Belated, बाद अज़ वक्त, देर करने वाला. It was a last warning to belated comer. Beloved, महबूब या प्यारा. The old man loved his beloved son. Beneficial, फायदेमंद या मुफीद. There are many health related beneficial tips. Big, बड़ा. He reads book in big library. Big hearted, बड़े दिल वाला. Please meet my big hearted friend. Bitter, तल्ख या कड़वा. It is a bitter fact. Bland, बेतुका, बकवास. It is a bland film. Blank, खाली या सादा. Please write 5 questions in a blank paper. Bleak, तारीख या वीरान. He bought land in bleak area. Blissful, खुशगवार या खुश. مسرور. Her face is so blissful today. Blushing, शर्मिंदा या शर्माना. She was blushing after meeting him. Bogus, जाली. Nobody will believe in this bogus statement. Boiling, उबलना. You can put salt in boiling eggs. Bold, दिलेर. My friend is so bold. Bony, दुबला पतला. Look at him, he is so bony. Boring, बेजार. Why did you watch this boring movie? Bossy, अफसरी. I like her bossy attitude. Thanks for watching.